Master the easy motion of the Buttercream Swirl to add instant texture and beauty to your cakes and cupcakes. Cake-Craft Buttercream icing is the perfect consistency for piping beautiful, fluffy swirls. The icing can be customized with Cake-Craft coloring gel to make every color of the rainbow. To make swirls with more dimension, use 2 or more colors of icing. To pipe the swirls, you'll need a large open star tip like a 1M or an 826, and a piping bag or zip-top disposable bag. Fit your bag with the tip by dropping it into the bag and making a small mark with scissors about halfway up the tip. This gives you a guideline on where to cut the bag so that the tip fits snugly without pushing all the way through the bag. To easily fill your piping bag with more than one color, place it into a cup, fold the edge of the bag over the cup. Use a small spatula or butter knife to fill the bag on one side only with your first color. You can also do this by putting the colored icing into another disposable bag and squeezing it into one side of the bag. Try both methods and see which you prefer better. The most important thing is that you have 2 distinguishable colors of icing on either side of the bag. Your bag should be about 2/3 of the way full, no more, so that you can easily control the flow of the icing and the shape of your swirls. Close the bag by uncuffing it and twisting it tightly. Squeeze icing into a bowl until both colors are coming out of the tip. To make the swirl, hold the bag vertically about 1/2 inch above your cake or cupcake, with the palm of your dominant hand at the top of the icing in the piping bag, and if you want, you can use 1 or 2 fingers of your non-dominant hand near the tip to stabilize it. Begin piping at the center of the swirl by squeezing with the palm of your dominant hand. Keep consistent pressure from your palm as you move your entire hand in a circular motion, making each circle a little bigger than the last. This makes a snail-like design where the icing touches itself. When your swirl is as big as you'd like, continue moving your hand around in the circle pattern while decreasing the pressure from the palm of your hand. This forms a tail that tapers gradually. If you've never made buttercream swirls before, try practicing a few on the back of a cake pan. Add a professional twist to your cupcakes with buttercream swirls. A single solid color looks great. Or fill your piping bag with 2, 3, 4, or even more colors of Cake-Craft icing, just like we did with our purple and blue icing. Once you master the motion, the buttercream swirl is so easy. You'll be piping swirls with your Cake-Craft buttercream so fast, you'll never use a knife to ice your cupcakes again. Show us your buttercream creations. Tag Cake-Craft on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to share the baking love.